morning, Penny. You're the only kitty in here. The other two are, I don't know, somewhere in the living room. I'm sure. Oh, I yawned. I'm sure Tigger is in the window since it's summertime. That's his favorite spot to be during the summer. And Rue, I don't know where Rue is. Why are you sitting like that? Why are we sitting like this? Oh, we're getting up. That was a big stretch. No, I think you're just waiting on me to get up. Okay. I'll get up. Yep, staring right at me. I was incorrect about the whereabouts of a Tigger. He wants his drink. You're spoiled. Did you know that? Okay, there. Get your drink. Don't just stare at me. You do know you guys have a water fountain though, right? But this is how you choose to drink water every morning. Yeah. Oh, you got it there. Okay. Why do you drink like this? He's been sitting there the entire time I was in the shower. He's clingy. This is my breakfast, because I didn't have anything other than eggs, so I made scrambled eggs with some Parmesan cheese mixed into it, because it's the only cheese I had, and I wanted to put some cheese in my eggs, and then I sprinkled some everything bagel seasoning on top, and then chocolate milk. And if you're wondering, yes, that is cat food. I do have to feed one of my cats on top of the cabinet because my orange cat Rue will eat all of their food. I do need to put it up though, back in the container, because I guess the cat that I have to feed up here hasn't ate, and I don't want it to go stale, so I need to put it back. But here's my breakfast. I'm also gonna watch Tara Yummy's tour documentary. I know it's been out for a while, but I still haven't watched it because it's 2 hours long. I did start it a little bit last night though, and Penny wants to play fetch. She bought me a mouse. Well, don't eat my eggs. Those are my eggs, not yours. Okay, go get your mouse. Every time I eat, she thinks she has to play fetch at the same time. Don't drop it in my food. You've done that before. We don't need to do that again. Okay, I'm gonna watch this and play with the cat and try to eat all at the same time. Here's my outfit that I'm gonna wear. My hair's not done yet because I had to pin some of it up to keep volume while it was drying. But this is the outfit I'm wearing. I have to go to the eye doctor because I have an eye doctor appointment. So this is the outfit I'm wearing. Oh, what? Do you want out? Oh, okay. I'm also gonna put on some face lotion since it's the middle of summer right now. You're so clingy. I love you, but you're clingy. You've been following me around all day. Yeah. Look at a cute little face. You're so cute. Hair let down. Don't know how I feel about it. The cat is leaving. I didn't brush my teeth and put on face sunscreen, so I'm ready to go and get a bright light shined in my eyes. Yay. Oh, there's a cat at the door. I'm home now. I had to get bifocals for my job, and that was very expensive.
No worries.
Sorry, my boyfriend walked in while I was talking. Anyway, I had to get bifocals for work, and those are expensive. Too expensive. I might eventually get contacts. I've never been able to get contacts before because of my eye problems, but I can finally actually get contacts because technology and stuff has changed, so they're gonna be expensive. I'm gonna have to save up for them, but I can get contacts now. Yes. So yeah, okay. Now I'm in my computer room, office, whatever you want to call it. I'm hanging up stuff on my wall, so I'm gonna do that. I don't know if it's gonna focus because of this, but I can't really move what this is. So hopefully it focuses. These are the things I'm hanging up, so got this a long time ago. I think from Box Lunch. I got this from a local art museum in Oklahoma City at Factory Obscura. But it's it's made by this person. So and then I have postcards from Sophia Stella. Not Estella, why did I say that? Sophia is Ella. Why did I say Estella? I don't know. Anyway, it's Sophia is Ella. I got 2 postcards. I have this. Don't remember where I got it. I have this. It also came from, I think, Box Lunch was where I got. It was like a pack of a bunch of Studio Ghibli stuff. I don't even think they have them anymore. Then I have these stickers. I'm not sticking to my wall, I'm just sticking them up, but I got these at that museum too, the Factory Obscura Museum in Oklahoma City, and they're made by the same person. Focus. But yeah, they are made by, yeah, they are made by the same. So I'm gonna hang all of these up right here. And I don't know if I'm gonna hang this one up because like tickets just don't look like how they used to, but I have a old Youngblood concert ticket from like quite a few, I think from 2021. My cat scared me. They made a weird noise. They're outside the door. Anyway, I'm gonna hang those all up like right there. Here's what it looks like. I spread it out on purpose, just because I want to add more stuff, but I left the picture in the plastic frame or plastic packaging because I want to get a frame for it. And I don't have one yet, but here it is. Got a better. There we go. And more will be hung up eventually once I get more stuff to hang up. I don't like how the stitch is blending into the wall though, so I might take him down. Not right now, but if I get more stuff that I like better, he might come down. We'll find out. We'll see. Nope. Here's Sophia looking creepy as crap. Love it. And I know there's Sophia still a thing. But yeah.